In this video, we show how to replace an intrusion switch on a PowerEdge R7725XD. Before working inside the system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect the system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. With the cover, air shroud, and risers 1, 3, and 2 removed from the system, to remove the intrusion switch, remove the 2 screws securing it in place. With the screws removed, unroute the cable and then disconnect the dongle from the intrusion switch and then disconnect the dongle from the HPM. To install the intrusion switch, align it with the side of the system and then secure it with the 2 screws. Then connect the dongle to the intrusion switch cable and route the cable underneath the clips, and then reconnect the dongle to the HPM, making sure that the cable is secured. For more information about the PowerEdge R7725XD, visit dell.com/support.